Welcome to HypnoCloud. Now, as you relax and listen to these words, you're strengthening your critical faculty, the ability to think clearly, trust yourself, remain grounded and uninfluenced by the outside noise and unhealthy distractions. Take a deep breath now. Slowly exhale. Follow my voice. Again, very deep breath in. Empty your mind. You know how to do it. I know you know. Relax. Let yourself sink in inside of your cell now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Instant relaxation permeating you now. Deeper relaxed. You are learning to trust your intelligence and wit, to process information with confidence and calm. Outside influences, whether online or in life, no longer sway you. You recognize tactics that try to confuse or even manipulate, and they simply lose their power over you. You are uninfluenced. You are in control of your focus. Imagine a shield of clarity surrounding your mind, strong, flexible, and impenetrable. This shield allows valuable insights to pass through while deflecting distractions, false narratives, or undue pressure. You stand firm, steady, and true to yourself. This is how you move through life. You are able to set a clear boundary, firm yet calm, in any situation where it's needed. You stand by that boundary with confidence, feeling a deep sense of respect for yourself and others. Each time you set a boundary, you feel stronger, more capable, and more at peace. As you move through life, you remain awake, aware, and sober-minded. Yes, I repeat, sober-minded. Your thoughts are your own. Your choices are your own. New ideas, narratives, and uninvited memes may swirl around you, and yet you evaluate them wisely, deciding what serves you best and letting go of the rest. You stay on track, aligned with your values and goals. Go ahead. Imagine yourself walking a path of clarity, a bright and focused road where distractions simply fade away into the background. You are self-empowered, uninfluenced by anyone or anything, sober-minded from the world's distractions and noises. Every day, you are becoming more resilient to outside influences. You are undeniably clear in the face of outside and all noise. Now, say to yourself in just a moment the following words: I am uninfluenced, I am focused and sober from the outside noise and distraction. Repeat it silently in your mind 3 times, or out loud if you wish, and then come back to being fully awake and go about your day. Go ahead, hear your voice now. I am uninfluenced, I am focused and sober from the outside noise and distraction. Say it 3 times, hear your voice. Let it sink in. I am uninfluenced. I am focused and sober from the outside noise and distraction. I am uninfluenced. I am focused and sober from the outside noise and distraction. I am uninfluenced. I am focused and sober from the outside noise and distraction.